So to assess to the coolant thermostat, disconnect the air hose, disconnect these two connectors, and disconnect this coolant pipe from the bracket, two brackets, and there's a 8mm bolt under here, so just remove that and remove this clip from here, so we can take it this part. So actually you won't just need to disconnect this one. This look like air temperature sensor. So now I'm gonna remove this part because coolant thermostat under this part. So I'll show you one by one. So remove this clamp. There's a two clamp each side. So remove these two clamps. They can pop by a flat screw head screwdriver, and unclip this vacuum hose and remove this 10mm stud, and yeah, so disconnect this connector, then you can remove this part and remove this pipe bracket screw as well, both side. One is this side, one is that side. 8mm. So just slide off these vacuum pipes and you can take out easily. So that's the part. So this is a thermostat housing. So to remove this one from the engine, so you have to unbolt 2 bolts each side, 8mm, and you have to disconnect the hose pipe there, and there's a small hose there as well, and there's one hose bottom as well. So 3 hoses and 4 bolt 8mm, then you can remove it. And remember there's a two seal here, and there's one seal coming from the bottom, so that seal need to replace as well. So I have removed all the bolt, all 3 bolt, but there's a 1 bolt behind this one. It's like a vacuum resonator. To remove this one, and there's a 8mm bolt there. Just remove it and slide it off like this. Then you can access to the other bolt as well. So guys, I just removed the housing. So actually it's leaking from this joint there. Can you see it's separated? This joint, there's a coolant leak from this joint. So actually this is not the coolant thermostat, so I was wrong. But internet also says coolant thermostat, but there's no any thermostat inside this housing. It's like a coolant flange, which is supply coolant to both cylinder heads. Yeah, so it's not the coolant thermostat as I know. So this bottom pipe is a bit hard to remove. So you can take the complete housing flange, then you can put some silicone inside the rubber there, and then you can remove by the flat-headed screwdriver. So this is 2 pieces. So this is the 2 old seal, so I'm gonna remove it now. And also there's a seal there as well in the oil filled housing as well, so you have to replace this seal as well. So this 2 seal for the coolant flange is this 2 seal. They come with the new part, but this one is aren't. So we had to buy separate this seal for the oil cooler housing. So always it's better to replace O-rings once you used. So the installation parts also pretty much the same as removal. So I'll install and I'll bleed the coolant, and at the end I'll show you the coolant pressure test as well. So guys, I just replaced the coolant housing or coolant flange. So connected all the hoses, the upper coolant hose from the radiator, and the lower hose and this small hose to the coolant expansion tank. So before I bleed the cooling system, I just done the coolant pressure test. So just make sure, need to sure the pressure is holding. So before bleed the system, otherwise if there's a leak, so it'll leak with the new coolant if you bleed the system before pressurize the system. So it's holding in the pressure is holding 1 bar, so which is good. So no leak anymore. So I'm gonna now bleed the system and top up the coolant level and start the engine and running. So obviously after you start the engine, you can see a lot of smoke come from the engine valley because of there's a coolant around. So what I done, I just suck coolant I can, and I put some fresh water and clean the oil filter housing area, and again suck back the coolant. So it definitely will come with the smoke, steam smoke. So it'll go away like maybe like 20 minutes driving. Okay, so I'm gonna pre-pack other stuff with all the parts, then I'll start and I'll see you then. So guys, we'll see in another video. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and please subscribe and see, please like and share. So I'll come with another video as soon as possible. Thank you very much. I'm Viraj from European Automotive Experts.